Alright guys, so welcome back. After a bit of a marathon pick session involving a few locks, all except I think two were successful, and I thought, well, let me go and find something a little bit more challenging. I phoned around a bit, and guys referred me to a local hardware that will have purple level belts, and I went and took a look around and I found this, right, which is a Quattro lock. And they didn't have what I was looking for, okay, but they had this Quattro lock. So I looked at it and I thought, well, that looks like we're going to have a great evening's pickings. And it's got, Quattro, four keys, essentially, all four pins in each, well, I guess what you would call barbel or whatever, one plug, and that will be a fun evening's picking. So, well, that's pretty great. That's gonna, but how are we gonna tension it? So I made a few very failed attempts, as you can see, with my favorite TIG wire that was just twisting, and then windshield wiper blades, and all that broke. And I thought maybe I could do something with the ends, and it's too lazy to get the grinder out. So I thought, oh, what the hell? I'll try my trusty old little TIG wire tensioner. It's really nice. I use it quite a lot because, the other stuff is sometimes a bit big, and popped it in there and got a bit of rotation on the core. So I thought, that's great. Lovely. Ready for a good evening's pickings. And then what I normally do with a lock is I get your Reaper number 1 or Reaper number 3 or Reaper number 2, any of the first three, and just have a little bit of a feel around, sort of see what I'm getting myself into. And so I did just that, and well, fuck, that's the fucking end of that fucking evening, piece of shit. Ah,